Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to lower ping in Apex Legends on your PC. So I have here some tips and tricks. Now the first one is to use wired connection. So instead of Wi-Fi, use an internet cable if you want more stable and reliable connection and lower ping. The second one is to close background applications. So if you have applications running in the background, make sure to close them. Then the third one is to change data center. So in the game, select the data center closest to your physical location. For example, if you're in North America, choose the North American server. Then you can also lower the ping from game settings, so you can adjust your graphics settings to optimize performance, and some settings can impact ping. You can also try to reset your router, and also you can basically use VPNs. So in some cases will help you get a lower ping. And the last one is to update your drivers. So make sure to upgrade your GPU drivers to update them. And basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.